71. Assisting a business customer with a merchant account. Context. A small business owner visits the bank to inquire about setting up a merchant account for accepting card payments. Hi, I run a small cafe and want to start accepting card payments. Do you offer merchant accounts? Yes, we do. A merchant account allows you to process debit and credit card transactions. Do you need an online payment system or just an in-store terminal? Mainly in-store, but I'd like an online option too. Got it. We offer point-of-sale POS terminals for in-store payments and a payment gateway for online sales. Sounds great. What are the fees? There's a one-time setup fee of $100, and transaction fees range from 1% to 2.5% per transaction, depending on the card type. That's reasonable. How soon can I start using it? Once approved, you'll receive the POS terminal within 3 to 5 business days. The online payment system can be activated immediately. Perfect. What documents do I need to apply? Just your business registration, tax ID, and bank statements for the last 3 months. I have those. Let's proceed. Great. I'll start the application now. 72. Helping a customer dispute a transaction. Context. A customer calls to dispute a charge they don't recognize. Hi, I just saw a $120 charge on my account that I don't recognize. Can you help? Of course. Let's check. The charge was made at TechMart online. Does that sound familiar? No, I've never shopped there. What should I do? We can dispute it for you. I'll temporarily credit your account while we investigate. Will I need to do anything? Just sign a dispute form that we'll email you. If we confirm the transaction was unauthorized, the credit becomes permanent. How long will the investigation take? Normally 7 to 10 business days. We'll update you once we have a decision. Okay, do I need to block my card? It's a good idea to prevent further fraud. I can issue you a new card now. Yes, please. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Your new card will arrive soon. Stay alert for any suspicious activity. 73. Assisting a customer with foreign currency exchange. Context. A customer visits the bank to exchange money before traveling abroad. Hi, I'm traveling to Japan next week and need to exchange some money. Do you have Japanese yen? Yes, we do. How much would you like to exchange? About $1,000 worth of yen. What's the exchange rate today? The current rate is 1 USD equals 150 JPY. That means you'll receive 150,000 yen. Are there any fees? There's a small service fee of $5. Would you like the notes in smaller or larger denominations? A mix of both would be good. No problem. Here's your cash. Do you need travel insurance or a multi-currency card for your trip? Not today, but thanks for asking. You're welcome. Enjoy your trip to Japan. 74. Guiding a customer on investment accounts. Context. A customer wants to open an investment account but doesn't know where to start. Hi, I want to start investing, but I'm not sure where to begin. Do you offer investment accounts? Yes, we have different investment options. Are you looking for low risk, medium risk, or high risk investments? I'm new to this, so I prefer low to medium risk. In that case, a mutual fund or fixed income investment would be a great option. What's the minimum amount to start? You can start with as little as $500. Would you like a financial advisor to guide you? Yes, that would be helpful. Great, I'll schedule a consultation for you. In the meantime, I can help open your investment account. Sounds good, let's do it. Perfect, I'll get that set up now. 75. Helping a customer set up a joint account. Context. A couple visits the bank to open a joint savings account. Hi, my partner and I want to open a joint savings account. Can you help us with that? Absolutely. Are you looking for a standard joint account or one where only one of you can withdraw funds? A standard joint account where both of us can access it freely. Got it. You'll both need to provide IDs and proof of address. Do you want online banking access as well? Yes, that would be great. Can we also get a debit card? Of course. You'll each receive a debit card linked to the account. Would you like to set a withdrawal limit? Yes, maybe $1,000 per day. No problem. I'll set up the account now. You'll receive account details shortly. Great. Thanks for your help. You're welcome. Let us know if you need anything else. Assisting a customer with a fixed deposit account. Context. A customer visits the bank to inquire about opening a fixed deposit FD account. Hi, I'd like to open a fixed deposit account. What are the interest rates? It depends on the deposit term, For a 6-month FD, the rate is 3.5% per year. For a 12-month FD, it's 4.2%. I see. What's the minimum amount required? You can start with as little as $1,000. And what happens if I withdraw early? If you withdraw before maturity, you'll receive a lower interest rate, and there may be a penalty. I understand. Can I add more money to the FD later? No, but you can open a new FD if you want to invest more later. That makes sense. I'd like to open a 12-month FD with $5,000. Great. Let's complete the paperwork. 77. Helping a customer with a loan pre-approval. Context: a customer wants to get pre-approved for a home loan before buying a house. Hi, I'm planning to buy a house and want to get pre-approved for a mortgage. How does it work? That's a smart move. Pre-approval gives you an estimate of how much you can borrow and strengthens your offer to sellers. That's great. What do I need to apply? Just your income proof, credit history, and employment details. How long does it take? Usually 1 to 2 business days. If approved, your pre-approval is valid for 90 days. And what loan amount can I expect? Based on your income, you might qualify for up to $300,000, but the final amount depends on the home appraisal. Sounds good. Let's start the process. Absolutely. I'll begin your application now. 78. Assisting a customer with a safe deposit box. Context: a customer visits the bank to rent a safe deposit box. Hi, I'd like to rent a safe deposit box. Do you have any available? Yes, we have small, medium, and large boxes. What size do you need? A medium one should be fine. How much does it cost? It's $50 per year, and you'll need to pay a refundable key deposit of $20. That's reasonable. What security measures are in place? Only you and authorized users can access the box. You'll need your key and ID for every visit. Sounds secure. Can I add my spouse as an authorized user? Yes, just provide their ID during registration. Perfect. Let's set it up. Absolutely. I'll get the paperwork ready. 79. Guiding a customer on a retirement savings plan. Context: a customer wants advice on saving for retirement. Hi, I want to start saving for retirement, but I'm not sure which plan to choose. That's a great decision. Do you prefer a low-risk plan, or are you open to higher returns with some risk? I prefer a balanced option, steady growth but not too risky. In that case, a retirement mutual fund might be a good fit. It offers diversified investments with moderate risk. What's the minimum amount to start? You can start with $1,000 and you can add more monthly if you like. What are the tax benefits? Contributions may be tax deductible and earnings grow tax-free until withdrawal. That sounds great. Let's open an account. Excellent. I'll guide you through the process. 80. Assisting a customer with an international money transfer. Context: a customer needs to send money overseas and asks about the process. Hi, I need to send $2,000 to my sister in Canada. How do I do that? You can use our international wire transfer service. Do you have your sister's bank details? Yes, I have her account number and bank name. Perfect. You'll also need the SWIFT code, which identifies her bank. I think I have that too. What's the fee? The fee is $25 for standard processing or $40 for express service. How long does it take? Standard transfers take 3 to 5 business days, while express transfers take 1 to 2 days. I'll go with the standard option. No problem. Let's process your transfer now.